Every day, millions of people work hard, save money, follow advice, chase opportunities. Yet somehow, they still feel stuck, confused by financial noise, overwhelmed by endless strategies, unsure who to trust or what is real. Because the truth is, the financial world isn't just complicated. It's layered, hidden, patterned, and most people aren't failing because they lack effort. They're failing because they lack clarity. This channel exists to change that. Welcome to the Blueprint Detective, where we don't chase trends, we investigate systems, where we don't follow hype, we follow evidence, and where we don't promise shortcuts. We reveal the blueprint behind success. I'm Detective Chris, not here to sell fantasies, not here to promote get-rich-quick illusions, and not here to tell you what you want to hear. I'm here to uncover what actually works. Because behind every financial success, there's a structure. Behind every opportunity, there's a system. Behind every collapse, there's a pattern. And once you learn to see those patterns, you stop guessing. You start understanding. At the Blueprint Detective, we use a simple principle. Truth leaves clues, money leaves trails, markets leave signals, businesses leave fingerprints, and bad advice leaves victims. Our job is to follow those clues. On this channel, you won't just hear opinions. You'll enter investigations, case files, where we break down real financial stories and decisions, not just what happened, but why. Hidden systems, where we expose how money actually flows behind the scenes, beyond headlines and social media noise. Blueprint Builds, where we construct practical, step-by-step strategies you can follow. Scam Autopsies, where we dissect financial traps, manipulative tactics, and fake gurus, so you never fall into them, because knowledge alone doesn't protect you. Understanding does. Our mission is simple: to turn confusion into clarity, to turn noise into structure, and to turn viewers into thinkers. We believe financial success isn't luck, it's design. Not random, not magical, but built from patterns that anyone can learn to recognize. This channel isn't just about money, it's about awareness, about understanding the systems shaping your life, about learning to see through marketing illusions, about becoming someone who makes decisions based on insight, not impulse. Because the world doesn't reward the loudest voices, it rewards the most informed minds. Here we don't glorify hype, we respect evidence. We don't promise overnight success, we teach strategic progress, and we don't follow viral trends. We analyze the forces behind them, because truth doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers in patterns only careful observers notice. If you've ever felt that financial advice sounds scripted, that opportunities seem engineered, that success stories feel incomplete, you're not imagining it. There are systems at play, and once you learn to decode them, you stop being a spectator, you become an investigator. On this channel, you are not just an audience, you are becoming a blueprint thinker, a strategic observer, a financial investigator, someone who sees structure where others see chaos, someone who reads signals where others see noise, someone who understands that behind every result, there's a reason. So if you want clarity instead of confusion, strategy instead of luck, truth instead of hype, then you're in the right place. This is not just a finance channel. This is an investigation into how money moves, how systems operate, and how informed people build lasting success. Analyze the pattern and reveal the truths most people miss until the next case. Stay observant.